You have 5 seconds to remember the location of the hidden items. Where is the Domino's? Where is the Burger King's? Where is the Starbucks? Please like the video if you get first 3 answers correct. Where is the Taco Bell? Where is the Dunkin' Donut? What is missing? If you remember, write in the comments and I will like it.